Hello everyone, my name is Chris and I'm here today to make an exercise to help your kids talk when you are playing. And we will do Volcano, and I love the Volcano. What do you need to do it? Volcano, you need baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap to make it more fun, okay? These three. The exercise you will do with your kids is the phoneme sh, sh, because some kids change sh for s. When the volcano starts to erupt, the sound sh need to be this way, sh, like a silence. Sh. And when he do this, close the teeth. And maintain this way. Stay this way. And if your kid cannot do this movement, ask for a kiss. It's the same movement. But when it goes from to kiss, maintain this way, open a little bit. Did you get it? Kiss. Kiss. And let's get started. First of all, baking soda. Second, dish soap. And now, vinegar. And the volcano starts to erupt. Ask for your kid to make the sound shh. Do it with him or do it with her together, okay? Let's do it with me. I will do the movements, the sound with you. Are you ready? I am. Let's go. And to make it more fun, let's put food coloring. Oh, it's a big mess, Continue doing. Breathe. Don't forget breathe, okay? Breathe and I love that. A little bit more. Baking soda, baby. Well, no. Well, no. Another thing you can do it is blow. Smaller blow is good. I love it. More food coloring. Now I will put blue. More baking soda. More soap. And the magic. More vinegar. Deep breath. And it's so fun. I love that. Woo! It's going down. It's working. Now we have the volcano ready to play. I hope you can play with your kid. I hope your kid can play with me. Try to do it at home. It's so fun and you can help your child speak. I hope you like it, enjoy it. And if you like it, thumbs up please. And and have a great, amazing, fun time. See ya!